Hello friends, in this video I am going to take question number 35 of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7 of NCERT Maths textbook class 12. Now the question is like this: we have to prove that the definite integral x dx from the limit 0 to 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now let us see how I am going to solve this question. First of all, it is an easy question. Okay, and to prove that this integral is equal to 1, straight away we have to start the integration, and you can see that it is a product of two functions. First is algebraic, that is x, and second is exponential. So we are going to take x as the first function and e to the power of x as the second function, and I'm going to apply the formula for integration by parts to obtain it as equal to x into integration of e to the power of x, that is first function, into integration of second function, minus differentiation of first function into integration of second function and the integration of the product. Now here what I have done, here I have placed the limit in this integral because this integral is the final integral, but here I have not placed the limit. Okay, because we have to further integrate this value, that is a product of the differentiation of first function and into the integration of second function, and this would give me a final integral, and for the final integral I have placed the limit from 0 to 1. Now one thing more regarding this question is this, that if the limits are creating problem, then we can solve this integral without limit, that is as an indefinite integral, and after solving its value we can place the limit to get our answer also. But for now we are going to solve it like this only, and further what I have done, I have written the first term as it is, and in the second term I have simplified, and differentiation of x is 1, integration of e to the power of x would be e to the power of x, so I have written them. Further I get on integration of e to the power of x, e to the power of x, so the product of x into e to the power of x is written with the limits, that is the limits are to be solved. And further for the second term I am going to get e to the power of x dx from the limit 0 to 1. Okay, so further I get on integration of e to the power of x, e to the power of x, so I have placed limits from 0 to 1. Now I am going to simplify the limits to obtain 1 into e to the power of 1 by placing the value of upper limit, and 0 into e to the power of 0 by placing the lower limits, and similarly here e to the power of 1 minus e to the power of 0, and this minus sign as it is. Further I can write this value as e, this would be 0. On opening the bracket I am going to get this as e, and this e to the power of 0 would be 1, and this minus minus is going to become plus. So these two e's cancels out, so I get the value as equal to 1. So this proves that e to the power of x dx is equal to 1. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.